Affirmations can unlock limitless thinking for success and abundance. In this video, you are going to focus on affirmations. Please watch how to practice video to follow the guidelines. Our thoughts and beliefs have a profound influence on various aspects of our lives, shaping our perception of reality, affecting our decision making, and impacting our emotional well being. Negative self talk, limiting beliefs, and scarcity mindset can all hinder our progress towards realizing our full potential. However, by rewiring our minds and nurturing a mindset of abundance, possibility, and boundless potential through affirmations, we can overcome these obstacles. The power of affirmations lies in their ability to transform our thoughts and beliefs, enabling us to create a life that surpasses our expectations. What are affirmations? They are optimistic expressions that aid in reprogramming subconscious mind. Consistent repetition is required. They are valuable for enhancing your thoughts. How do affirmations work? They have the ability to access the potential of your subconscious mind, which operates like a storage system. Benefits of affirmations. There are many benefits of using affirmations, including greater resilience and adaptability and many more. How to use affirmations? Select your affirmations. This is the first step. The second step is repeat your affirmations. That to be in regular order, preferably daily. Third is visualize your affirmations. Picture yourself. Fourth one is believe in affirmations. Have faith in your affirmations. And true and it can be achievable. Takeaway messages. Affirmations can help you cultivate a mindset of abundance and possibility and overcome limiting beliefs. So overall, by following these steps, you can rewire your mind, tap into your unlimited potential, and create a life that exceeds your expectations.